Hey guys, Laneige here, and in today's video we are doing two hauls from Sephora and Ulta. So let's get in and let's get into those hauls. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we are doing two hauls. One is from Ulta, and that was during their 21 days of beauty sale. This is the first time I've ever actually participated in it. Usually I just don't even pay attention. And something exclusive, well, kind of exclusive from Sephora. Basically, it was exclusive in my head, so I definitely had to reach out and go get that. All right, so wanted to know, let me know in the comment section below if you guys participated in the 21 days of Ulta beauty sale. So we're definitely gonna dive into that and see. I didn't obviously, well, not obviously, but I didn't get something every single day, but I definitely participated. And the cool thing about it is, like after I ordered it, I placed the order online before I went to work. I was actually able to pick that up at the end of the day at my local store, because thankfully all of those products were in stock there as well. But I wanted to show you guys first something that I got from Sephora. Now, if you kind of, I actually take a pause for the video here and we'll insert the Sephora intro at this point. Okay, so yeah, let me know in the comments section below if your Kohl's looks like the way that my Kohl's does, where the entrance, I think it's super cool. It looks like a Sephora entrance, and also one side is just a regular Kohl's entrance. So that is super cool. I definitely cannot wait to step into Kohl's to see what it's looked like. I was just super busy today that I didn't get a chance to do that. But so let's talk about what I got from Kohl's. Yes, it's a little bag, but like I said, if I went into the Kohl's, I would have definitely bought more things, and this is really all I needed. So I don't know if you guys follow Living Ash on YouTube. Definitely go check her out. She mentioned this product in one of her recent hygiene videos, and I definitely had to go out there and grab this. Let me just double check to see. Let me see. It doesn't give me the price, so I definitely do not remember. Yeah, I don't remember the price, but this is basically a lip mask. So if you want to treat yourself, like she said, if you want to treat yourself, definitely give this a try. Now, I've tried Laneige Lip Mask before, and I love it. This is a little bit more expensive than Laneige, but I thought it was super cute. First of all, if you can tell from the packaging of this, this is definitely going to be a luxury if you wanted to treat yourself. This is definitely a luxury lip mask that you want to, if you want to do a little bit bouginess, you can. The cool thing about this is this, I'm trying to see if there's a, okay, yeah, this is what it looks like there. And you see it has like a branding on the top. But the cool thing about this one, it actually comes with a spoon. So that was really, really crazy. So I do have lip gloss on right now, but from what, hold on, yeah. Just wanted to make sure to see if there was a cover. There's no cover on this, no safety seal or anything like that. So that I just wanted to make sure. Want to give this a try here. And I will let you guys know, maybe I put too much. But it's definitely, okay. So just first impressions of this, it definitely does not give you like any sticky feeling at all. Just making sure I'm not looking crazy. It doesn't give you like any sticky feeling at all, so hold on. I think I initially just put too much. And you see it does give you the gloss here. Gonna just put this back in the box. It doesn't give you like that stickiness sometimes that lip glosses give you. It definitely gives you kind of like not kind of, but it definitely gives you like moisture that you probably can't get from a lip gloss. So if you're looking to treat your lips, I love the fact that this is something that you can use during the day. For some reason, excuse me, for some reason recently my lips have been super dry, and I definitely do put at night I put petroleum jelly on it, but this is something that I will definitely use during the day just to get myself out of this dryness that I have recently for the past couple days. So this definitely came in the perfect timing for me. I love it. And for all of these items, I will definitely put them in the description box below so you guys can check this out and see. But if you've used Tatcha lip mask before, definitely let me know. I think it's just your lips. So this is something that this will last you a very, very long time. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys have seen that. Okay, so now on to 21 Days of Beauty with Ulta. So this is in no particular order, but if you follow the sale at all, you guys will probably know the order better than I do. So again, these products, I'll put them in the description box below just in case you guys want to try them or check them out yourself. So the first thing I got was from Clinique, and this is Clinique Moisture Surge. This is going to be a moisturizer, and let me see. It says Moisture Serve 100% auto replenishing hydrator. This is hydration moisture. I'm gonna save this actually for the winter months, but I like to keep my face moisturized, obviously, like you guys do. So this is definitely something that you can add into your hygiene at night or your skincare routine at night. So let me just show you guys what this looks like and just give you guys my first impressions, because I didn't check anything out. I've left everything in the bag until I can do this video just to share with you guys. All right, so this is what the product looks like right there. And then has a safety seal, of course. So, and it doesn't have like any scent to it. It kind of looks like that lip mask if you think about it. So you see there, it's not a big bottle, but with thick moisturizers, I tend not to put a lot on my face as far as needing a lot on my face, but I can definitely, let me just give you guys, take it from the top, give you guys an idea. It goes on smooth and clear, obviously, and not a lot of scent to this. So this is something, if you're sensitive to scents, this is something that you won't have to worry about. So yeah, let me know if you guys have used this. This would be the first time that I'm actually using that product there. And then all of these were 50% off. So if you don't know, the Ulta sale, basically the products go, particular select items go on sale for 50% off. And like I said, I've never really paid attention to this before, but yeah, I decided to get it. All right, so the next thing we have here, actually this is in addition to what I bought, but these were like on sale for $1.50, so I just added it. This is like the last day of the sale. Well, the last item I was getting from the sale. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried these before. This is basically Ulta Beauty Sheet Mask. This one is actually probiotic cream mask. And then this one is Ulta Beauty Coconut Sheet Mask. So yeah, these were like $1.50, and I just grabbed them because they were on sale, basically. I have sheet masks already, but I've never tried an Ulta sheet mask before, so. Okay, so the next thing I got here was from Alicia Keys. So Alicia Keys has her own skincare line, and it's called Keys Soulcare. And I think that's such a cute name. All right, so let me just take a look and see. So this is what the bottle looks like. Now, I checked out the reviews for this one, and some people were complaining about the way that the product smelled, and then some people were saying it was fine. I just got fragrance free because sometimes I am sensitive to the scents of skincare, and if the scent throws me off, I'm just not going to use it. So here is this one. This is fragrance free, so we're not going to smell anything at all, obviously, but I want to show you guys the consistency. So it's a white moisturizer at night. Obviously, I have Clinique there, but I also wanted to give this a try. I've been wanting to give Alicia Keys products a try for a while now, so I'm definitely excited to give that a try, especially it was on sale for 50% off, so half off the price. Now, if you guys love hygiene products, you guys are gonna definitely love my haul. So hold on. This, I don't know if you guys have ever tried this line before. This is Course RX Master Patch Set. The reason why I got this one is I usually get, I forgot what the other ones are called, the Mighty Patches, but these were 90 patches, so I wanted to give this a try. This was like $9 at 50% off. So I figured this would last us, my daughter and I, a long time. If you ever have frequent breakouts or anything like that, these are perfect to give your skincare a try. They basically suck out that gunk and the oil that's making that pimple break out, and you can go about your day. So for me, it usually takes about 1 or 2 days. Sometimes it depends on how fighty that pimple is, and I don't break out every month, but it's like sporadic that I will. But I do have a teenager, and sometimes he does break out. So we basically all use this in my house. Really, myself and my daughter and my son. My husband doesn't have breakouts, and he has oily skin, so that's crazy. All right, another item that I got was, and I've never actually paid attention to this company, but I got Kopari. This is coconut melt hydration. Basically, there were so many uses that you can get. So this is basically a clean product. So this is sulfate free, silicone free, a bunch of basically everything free. Believe it's vegan also. Yep, vegan, cruelty free. The cleanest product I guess you can have on the market. Now I was actually trying to get, I think the pink bottle, but by the time I woke up, the pink bottle was gone, and I think the pink bottle supposedly was smelling like a, I forgot what it was. It smelled like a tropical margarita, something like that. This is regular coconut melt. Now, supposedly this product, and I'll link this product from Ulta in the description box below also. Supposedly you can use this for many uses. You can use this on the ends of your hair. You can use this on your body as like a body oil. There were so many uses for this product. I was just like intrigued. I don't see the hold on, let me use my phone just to make sure. I don't think I see like a description of all the things you can use this for. Hold on, let me see. Body butter. Yeah, it doesn't really give you like a description, but if you go to Ulta in their description, this is very descriptive. It does have a watery consistency, so I'm not going to open this up, but it's a body oil consistency. So like I said, I have curly hair, obviously oils. My hair loves moisture. So something like this could be good for your hair. It could be for your body as a body oil after you come out the shower. So in the winter, what do you think we need? We need moisture, moisture, moisture. Your hair is gonna need moisture. So this is like an all-around product that you can definitely take advantage of using. Like I said, I don't want to open it because it does have that safety seal, and this, I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it definitely is a watery consistency, so I do not want to open this up. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. This is the first time I'm actually being introduced to this product, so let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried this before. So I'm super curious what you guys thought. I saw a lot of good reviews on this one. And then last but not least, this is my very first Philosophy product for skincare at all. Well, Philosophy product in general. Besides getting it from like little Sephora plays that I used to do years ago, this is the first full-size product that I've actually invested into myself, and this was 50% off. They had like 2 bottles. This one is the 16 fluid ounces. They had like the 8 fluid ounces and the 16, and I said, hey, if I'm gonna go all in, I'm gonna get the biggest bottle that they have. So this is Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash from Philosophy. It says progress is made in baby steps. Now, you guys know, if you watch any of my Come With Me's, you guys know we see this in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington. You can catch this over there for basically probably the same price that I paid for here. And I always say I would like to give that a try, but $10.99 for a body wash, I can't see myself using. But this was a facial wash. So facial wash, you guys know, you're probably putting like a quarter size amount on your hands. So this is gonna last me a very long time. Let me just double check to see what this smells like. And I am gonna take the safety seal off of this one, just give you guys a heads up and see what it smells like. So this has like a definitely like a fresh scent to it, with its touch, like a touch of citrus. It doesn't tell me like at all. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't tell you the scent of this one, but I'm sure if you click the link in the description, this will go right to Ulta and it'll show you like that description of what this is. But for me, it's like a citrus consistency there. So yeah, that was everything I got during the 21 days of beauty from Ulta. So let me know in the comment section below, like I said, if you guys took advantage, if you didn't. What is your favorite item to get from Ulta, or what is the favorite item that you're looking forward to the fall and to coming up and trying to use, or what are you looking for right now? I know a lot of people are looking for like that Jergens Cloud Cream. I have not. I've gone, not on purpose, because I do have a lot of products at home, so I'm not actually looking for anything specific, but just looking to see if it's available. I've gone so far to Walmart and Walgreens, and they don't have it in my area yet. And I actually have actually seen a video where Brazilian nut body butter from Trader Joe's is back. I've actually been looking for that item. I've called Trader Joe's twice so far. I have 2 Trader Joe's in my city. Neither one of them have it. They said it's supposed to be coming in the end of the month, so I don't know if I'll be going out to go. I'm not gonna go crazy for it because, like I said, I do have enough products, but that is one that I'm actually been curious about this whole summer. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think of everything hygiene. But yeah, keep me posted and let me know in the comments if you guys have found that Brazilian nut butter at all. It seems to be out of stock, but then in some areas it's back. So yeah, let me know. But with that being said, you guys make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.